This is one of the remarkable species of our India and few other countries. Why it is remarkable? I found it pioneering in the harshest of localities, where top 10 feet of topsoil is removed with bulldozers and such places. This one can be used to re-establish the fertility of the soil and all that. It's called Tradehagi triquetrum, and it's a legume, so it fixes nitrogen and all. And the leaves have this kind of these two parts, this lower part and upper part. That's one indication. And it's not a big thing. It's a small shrubby type of plant. And then the tender leaves and all are very beautiful, like that, red color. And then it has this long type of stems, like that. So like this. So from the base, over there, the sticky type of structures come, the stems, and then from that the sideways the branches go out. And it's a small plant and it's perennial. And a little bit, if it is chopped and all, it will come back because life is quite strong in the root. And it's a native plant of this Western Ghats region, coastal Karnataka, and I don't see why it can't be popularized and spread all over our Karnataka and some of these southern states at least, because flowers are, though tiny, very attractive, color and all that, color, shape and everything. And legume, it's good for regreening, and it's a native species, so you'll be supporting your biodiversity and all that. And it's a rare plant also, though original in at one time it was common in those places. Since nobody celebrates or recognizes these type of plants, it's been relegated to one of the useless category by most people, but in reality it's far from useless. It's very useful in the hands of clever gardeners and landscaping people.